Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will discuss about Excel formatting numbers. So how can we format numbers in Excel? So those things we will discuss in this class. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So we are having cells, right? Cells. So first of all, I will give some data here. I'll give some data. And here I'll give item, and I'll give here prices. So PRICES prices, and yeah, and here I'll give two, and now I'll just drag it like this up to 10. Yeah, first I will write as number, and you have to drag it like this. Yeah, now I got the numbers. Now I got the numbers. So here I will give some items like eggs, chocolates. So I will give some random data here. Random data here. I'll give brown apples, Xerox. So we are having some data here, and I will give some data like this, and I'll just drag like this. So I have to give 200 here. Then I have to just drag like this. Just do it. Then we'll get the proper data. So, so we have written some data like this. We have written some data like this. So to convert into the currency format, currency format, so you have to use the number format in Excel. So you can see here, right? General. So by default, the number format will be having the general. So first of all, you have to select like this. You have to select like this and come to currency and click on currency. See, we got currency. We got currency. Like, right? We got the currency. We got the currency. And we are having currency, and we have the numbers. We have the numbers. And to convert into numbers, what you have to do, just click on numbers. Then it will be converted into the numbers. That will be converted into the previous state into numbers. So, but we want converted into the currency. So for that we have to select on currency, then it will be converted into the currency. It will be converted into the currency. So here we are having general, number, currency, accounting, short date, long date, time, percentage, and fractions. So based upon your requirement, you can use all these things. And if you want more number formats, then click on it. Then you will be having more number of formats. You can use it here. And For example, if you want to increase the decimal points, so what you have to do, just click on it. Just click on it. Sorry, it is decreasing. So if you want to increase it, you have to click on this. See, the decimal points were increased. The decimal points were increasing. And if you want to decrease it, you have to use this thing. You have to use this thing. And if you want to use percentage, you can use percentage. And if you want to use comma, you can use it. And you'll be having English, India. So based upon it, you can use dollars. And you can use English, you can use Euro, you can use Chinese. So based upon your requirement, you can use it. So ours is India, right? So I'm using currency, Indian currency. So in this way, we can use the numbers in Excel. So I hope you understand how to use a number format in Excel. And if you have any doubts, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, just please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. And then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.